This is Mama Miche. Today in my magic kitchen, Erik Estrata. No, not the actor. Though that would be kind of fun. He's invited. Anyway, when my mother-in-law was still alive, for as long as I knew her, she made this for Christmas Day breakfast. For some reason, I wrongly assumed that this was what my hubster ate on Christmas Day as a child, but the asparagus strata became a staple just a few years before I came into the picture. Also, for some reason only my husband understands, he calls it Erik Estrata. It's delicious, so he can call it whatever the fuck he wants, and I'm happy to make it every year for our Christmas Day breakfast. It is also good for any large family gathering. You make it the night before, refrigerate overnight, put it in the oven in the morning. It cooks for a little over an hour, and it has all the major food groups. I have her original recipe with all the changes she made in her handwriting. I refer to it every year, even though I know it, and I've made my own changes to it. It's part of my tradition to see the OG version. I love that she replaced the white bread with hash brown patties. Genius. The only change I've made is to eliminate the sage and use the twice stolen spice. I think you'll love it. You can make whatever changes you want because it's your damn kitchen. But I hope you'll let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Let's eat.